Alright, 6 ARC, gel block, 2D print. These are the Precision Hunters, 100 yards. Let's rock and roll. We got this is simulating our shoulder right here, the shoulder blade, whatnot, and the shoulder muscle. We're going to do a 2D print. We're hitting just to see what we got going on as soon as we impact. And we're going to hopefully we get a print on each one of those and see what the holes are going through the gel. Alright, we did make good contact, clean through. Here's what we're looking at. Alright, as you see here, we are in the gel just as well. We're completely in the gel all the way through. So this is considered a good shot. Look at that right there as we're coming through. Pass through. We got a piece of copper right there. Another piece of copper down below. And y'all see it's sitting right there. We actually have a piece of lead right on top. We got it going in, coming in. That's why I'm just giving y'all a quick look at the block itself. There's what happened on the inside right there. If you can make that out. Just gonna take a look, gonna dig out the bullet, and we're gonna dig out these boards and take a look at these boards. Hang on. All right, here we go. Precision Hunter, got everything out. For the most part, there's still a lot of little lid pieces and stuff in there. I wasn't going to sort through it, but that's our print right there. Going in and out, we have, these are the exit sides. So technically on the hole, on the first one, that's a 0.348. And on the second one is a lot smaller. It's on the second hole right there. If you're curious what the flip side looks like. All right, that's going in on each one. The first one, that's the second board right there. And if we're looking at weight, what we have, this is what made it through the second board. This is what made it through the second board out of 103 grain. That broke off as I was cleaning it. 34.8. This is a total of what we dug out of there. $52.2. That's what we got. So we did actually have separation, as you've seen, between the two. Right there. They came apart, but that was pretty much the lead slug, the slug that made it through. Alright, that was the slug that made it through the second board right there. We got total expansion of 0.4075. And we have a top to bottom on that of a 0.3085. So there you go on the Precision Hunter. This is out at 100 yards, if you're wondering. If you're wondering what the bullet looks like after going through our simulated shoulder and then punched in, we did the 2D print. Alright, we went from that to that, if you're wondering. So there you go, and thanks for watching.